Very good morning to all my friends residing in Andheri East and nearby areas. I'm the founder of Kachori Gali Banaras Wali, and this is my outlet based in Marol, Andheri East, on this very busy street in Marol, Maroshi Road. So welcome to Kachori Gali Banaras Wali, and this is a themed outlet providing very tasty and traditional North Indian snacks and meals. So if you see here, there are some very good and absolutely traditional desi bites, okay, which is watering towards the Banaras and UP side, the North Indian side. So for all my friends who are craving for traditional North Indian snacks, breakfast and meals, you should definitely try ordering from Kachori Gali Banaras Wali. So if you see here, you see there is Banarasi kachoris, there is Banarasi samosa and chai. Okay, and there is litti chokha, there is chole bhatura, there are chaat items which are available in the evening. There are some very good tasty coolers like Banarasi lassi, thandai, and in meals we have a very good thali. We have one maki thali and we have Banarasi thali, and there are lots of other meals, traditional sabzis and rice, paratha, puri combo. So this is my outlet here, and I'll take you through one of the signature items being made today at my outlet. So today we are taking a look at the very signature Bedni Puri item which is being prepared at Kachori Gali Banaras Wali. So Bedni Puri is a very traditional signature item which is provided for breakfast in the Kachori Gali street in Banaras, and this is had with Rase Wali aloo ki sabzi. So it's a very gravy aloo sabzi with which this is had. The way it is had in Banaras is generally in donas, where the kachori is kept, where the gravy sabzi is put in the dona and the kachoris, the bedni puri is put on top of it. But here obviously taking into account local preferences, we give it in a pattal, where we serve 4 pieces of bedni puri along with Rase Wali aloo ki sabzi. And this is also delivered online through Swiggy, Zomato, Magic Pin, through our own website kachorigali.com, or you can also order directly at 959-427-4974, or you can order directly from our website kachorigali.com. So if you see, the bedni puris are being put in for deep frying, and these are extremely delicious and tasty, and they come out very crispy. So bedni puris generally there are multiple ways in which it is prepared. So if you see in Kachori Gali, they are stuffed with a dal mixture, but here we make it without stuffing. So it is a non-stuffed version of Banarasi kachori or bedni puri, the way we call it. So here the dough itself has the spices and the dal grinded and mixed along with the dough. So if you see, these are these fluffy, crispy bedni puris that are being taken out, and this is being dispatched for an online delivery. So these are the hot, crispy bedni puris ready for packing, and these are dispatched in a cute little carton box like this. So if you see, you have 4 pieces of the bedni puri along with the Rase Wali aloo sabzi and the chutneys that are provided with this. Now this is being dispatched for an online delivery. So if you really want to have a taste of this fantastic, delicious, crispy bedni puris with Rase Wali aloo sabzi from Kachori Gali Banaras Wali, please try out our restaurant. You can order online directly from kachorigali.com, or you can call us at 959-427-4974, or you can order from third-party food platforms like Swiggy, Zomato, Magic Pin. Thank you.